Hey everyone, welcome. Special welcome to my subscribers. Thanks for coming back. To you new viewers, you should become subscribers too. Today we're doing a one-pot pasta, all in one, no sauce making, anything like that. It's all going to go into this one pot. I'm using vermicelli, but you could use a fettuccine, a linguine, even a spaghetti if you wanted, or whatever. So let's start with that. This is just a regular pasta pot. You don't have to have the strainer if you don't want. That's up to you. I like to have it just so it's easy for me to strain off. So that's my vermicelli in there, and that is one 16-ounce package, which is 1 pound. Into that I'm doing 28 ounces of diced tomatoes. These happen to be fire roasted diced tomatoes. If you have a pepper and diced tomato, that would work too, or just a regular juice and all. Remember, this is uncooked pasta, so we have to make sure we get the fluid thin. This is half a cup of a chopped onion. This happened to be a yellow onion, but red or white certainly would work. It's not going to hurt anything either way. 4 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and then a half teaspoon of basil and oregano. And those are dried. This is vegetable stock, and it happens to be 6 cups. Now to get a little extra flavor and sneak a little bit of nutrition in. This is 1 zucchini, and it was about that long, so 8 inches maybe. Not 8 inches, it was probably about 6 inches. And I've just, not quite julienned, but giving it a nice little rough cut. And that was 1. This is just black pepper, and just a little shake of black pepper, as you can see. Sea salt, same idea, just a little bit. And then this is baby spinach. This happens to be 1 pound package. I'm only going to use half of this. You could also use a frozen spinach if you wanted. If you can find frozen zucchini, you can use that too. Alright, that's everything that's into our pot. Now that the pot is loaded up, let's turn it on high heat. We're going to bring this up to a boil. That should also help the pasta fall in. And we'll pick it up from there. And I'm covering this to help increase the speed of the cook. It's been about 5-6 minutes, just enough to get this up to a boil and to allow the noodles to get down, collapse down into the liquid, which is exactly where we want. So I'm going from high down to a 5, which is dead medium on this stove. And I'm going to cook this for 10 minutes, and then we'll be ready to serve. As you can see, I went ahead and I added, remember I had a pound of baby spinach. I'm going to go ahead and add that in, just because this is going to wilt down so much, and I really want to get the vegetables in for my children. Alright, as you can hear, the timer's gone off, so go ahead and turn that off. And I did adjust it down just to a 4. You can see it's still giving me a bubble, so just kind of keep an eye on that. Also, you should stir the pasta occasionally. Don't overstir, you get sticky pasta. But if you don't understir, it's going to get stuck to the bottom. And all we're going to do is just take a couple of scoops out. Get some good mix of the tomatoes. You can see some of the garlic sitting in there. And of course that spinach and the zucchini. And that's really all there is to this 1 pot pasta. And I'm just going to touch of salt, touch of pepper. Now, I happen to have some mozzarella. Just a little sprinkle. And for you purists out there that like your grated parm, a little sprinkle of grated Parmesan. That's it. Easy. It's a winner. Kids will eat it, and they're getting their greens. Can't beat that. You know the drill. Give this a shot and let me know any substitutions, alterations that you make. And let me know if you find a noodle that works better. Otherwise, subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Check back for the next video, and as always, take care.